Welcome back to my channel. We're in Aruba. Today, I am so excited to introduce you to one of the most luxurious and upscale property we have explored so far. But before we get to the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more awesome content. Alright, let's jump right in. The property we're about to explore is not only going to amaze you, but will also make you want to book your flight to the one happy island of Aruba. This high-end timeshare accommodation is called Eagle Beach Penthouse 2-bed condo with private rooftop terrace. For inquiries and reservations, I'll drop the website link below in the description. Located just a 12-minute drive from the airport, this property offers the luxury of 5-star hotel. It boasts impressive features such as great location, beautiful landscaping, complete room amenities, quiet and private surroundings, and most of all, stunning and breathtaking scenery. Now, let's explore the exciting part. Upon entering the room, you'll be amazed by the impressive interior design. It can accommodate up to 6 people, featuring a spacious living room area with a smart TV, free Wi-Fi, and a well-equipped kitchen. The kitchen includes a modern kitchen range, a large 3-door fridge, a dishwasher, and all the crockery you need. From the living room area, you'll be captivated by the beautiful views through the glass doors. You'll surely enjoy your access to your amazing terrace views and fresh air. The spacious master unit has a safe for your valuables, a king-size bed, and excellent lighting to set the right mood. All bedrooms have TV units for your additional entertainment. In the master bedroom, you also have convenient access to the natural breeze and spectacular outdoor views. Each room has its own elegant bathroom with complete essentials. The second bedroom features two queen-size beds and a ceiling fan for added comfort, a large closet, and all the linens you need. Washer and dryer facilities along with the laundry room essentials are available for your convenience. The private rooftop terrace offers a panoramic view and magnificent scenery of the beach area. Imagine soaking in a private jacuzzi, chilling under the sun with your family or friends, and enjoying a sizzling barbecue. These blissful moments are enhanced by the eye-catching rooftop terrace view. The property is just a stone's throw away from one of the Aruba's finest beaches called Eagle Beach. Imagine viewing your accommodation from the beach area right across the street. This pristine stretch of beach features miles of soft white powder sand and aqua blue waters. Not only that, according to TripAdvisor, Eagle Beach is one of the top beaches in the world in 2024. It is fascinating to experience this amazing beach along with this property. What an awesome package, right? Eagle Beach is perfect for various water sports activities, and there are several excursions you might be interested in. It also hosts interesting events such as beach tennis and high winds competition. The service here is top-notch, though it's a timeshare property. The host is extremely accommodating, responding promptly to any requests or concerns. For all tourists, renting a car is a convenient way to enjoy the island, and free parking is available at this property. Taxis operate 24/7, so you can also call a cab from your convenience of your room. If you're up for an adventure, Eagle Beach is along a public bus route right across the street from your doorstep. The property also features a fitness center to ensure you don't miss your health routine. And a private tennis court is available. What more could you ask for? In the area, there are plenty of dining options. Lambra Casino is just a 5-minute walk away, offering several fine dining and other food chains. Superfood is just a 2-minute drive away for your bigger shopping needs. Another great spot is the Gloria Mall. 2-minute walk away with more food and beverage options and Aruba's very first IMAX cinema. Imagine being here for a week or more. You won't want to leave this paradise. As you have seen, this is surely the ideal accommodation that meets all your criteria when visiting Aruba. Book your flight and experience the ultimate getaway at the Eagle Beach penthouse 2-bed condo with private rooftop terrace. The link is down below in the description. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.